FOMO. So guys, tips 101. Take a look at this idle. I'm currently facing problem with my FC. So just need to mention to you all guys, if you all guys have any issue about RX7 idling problem, not nice, and then keep adjusting the left and the right throttle, there's nothing happen, it's still the same, just plug out the battery negative or just plug out both. Step the brake for around 10 seconds or you just wait longer and then everything settled. No fucking nonsense, all the long video you see at YouTube also you don't understand. Hope this video solve your problem. See, when I stop the car, see you all guys see. No rough idle, didn't bouncing, everything also don't have. See. See, it stays here. AC open, AC on. See the vacuum. So guys, after resolve the problem, we also need to know about the cold start. So it's already night time. Let's just try and see the cold start. See how's the idling. Okay, hopefully solve the problem. Okay, see cold very cold water temp, oil temp. Let's try. It's really solved the problem guys. It's really totally solved the problem. Okay, because by the time the evening that time, I try to reset the battery that time, I start, the idling is still not very nice. Okay, I need to drive certain like around 10 minutes really, 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so now it's already cold start. The idling is not jumping, it's not bouncing, it's not jumping. Shakalaka the bombastic. Everything nice. Let's try to open the aircon AC. See Yes man, just reset the ECU. Trust me guys, trust me. I already tried to find the solution for this car about the idling. I think more than very long. So after you setting the idle control, everything set, and then it's still not nice, you just plug out the battery lah. Don't waste your time, really wasting time. See, idling very nice. Okay.